So it's a nice day out in Toronto, and I'm sitting on the deck listening to the baseball game on the radio. And I thought it would be a good time to bring out the pocket radios, and let's give those a try. And so here are the two Panasonics and the little Elite Mini, along with, of course, the Sanchen ATS 909X2, which I had out earlier because I was doing some poking around on the shortwave band. So let's try getting the baseball game on each of these radios just for fun. So here's the Eton Elite Mini. It's a much better AM radio than it has any right to be, given how small the antenna's got to be in there. This, of course, shows the biggest problem with it, and that's that the display is almost unreadable outside in the sun. So here's the Panasonic. I always forget the model number of this radio. You can see that the dial is a little bit off. 590 is what we're at, but not enough to be worried about. This really has quite amazing performance on AM for a pocket radio. And here's the RF-016 that I repaired. This is a very nice sound.
Interesting to hear Zach Collins talk about the difference in what
pretty good on AM.
makes.
And I should say I actually have ordered an RF-015, which is the same as this, but without the clock. And hopefully that will come in the next week or so. That one, I think, is supposed to be working, but has some cosmetic issues that hopefully I can deal with.
So strangely back at his infielders. And it's a 4-2 Astros lead.
I will say, of these radios, the pleasantest sounding one is the RF-016.
A lot better against Luis Garcia. Springer had the first hit after 9 up and 9 retired. A leadoff double and then eventually a run scored.
It's a very nice sounding radio.
Wasting no time jumping on the first pitch.
The other great thing about this series of Panasonic radios is they have a little antenna that pulls out and has a pivot on it. So if you put the radio down flat, which is the only real way to use these, the antenna can still be up for FM. Obviously that's not making any difference for me right now because it's on AM. It's a really neat feature. It's something that the later Panasonics don't. As you can see, they've got just one that curves up from the side, and something like the Elite Mini has a pull-out antenna, but there's no swivel on it. So that's a really nice feature of these, and makes them, I think, in my view, far more desirable than this, which I think may be more sensitive. The other advantage of this one, of course, is that the tuning and volume control are labeling on the front, so that when you actually use the radio like this, you can see what you're getting at. So if you want to turn the volume, you won't reach up to the top and turn the wrong knob. The only thing that you really have up there would be the light and the selector. Listening to a baseball game on one of these pocket radios while on your deck is pretty well the use case they were designed for.